So we are all ready today to showcase our open house at 6547 Wyncote Ave, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. 19138 is the zip code. And just wanted to show you our little setup. The home is vacant, so we don't have a lot of tables and stuff. But we're getting ready to let people in about 12 o'clock. Enjoy some Luther. Thank you for joining us. Hey, good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for joining me today at our open house in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. 6547 Wyncote Ave is the home that we will be showcasing today. It's a beautiful sun-drenched 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhome, prime Philadelphia. We are close to transportation, houses of worship, schools, gyms. Anything you want is pretty much in walking distance or a 5-minute drive, excuse me. But I want to thank you today for joining me. I'm going to show you around. I brought you coffee, by the way, to wake you up and get you ready to buy a house. And I appreciate you for joining me at this open house. Let's go. So let's enter the home. As you walk into the home, the first thing you notice is the beautiful hardwood flooring throughout, the high ceilings, and all the square footage, okay? What I love about these traditional Philadelphia and Pennsylvania homes is the very high ceilings and also the beautiful old school radiators that keep these places extremely heated in the winter. This is the area where we originally walked in. It's a nice foil area. You have a nice window. Like I said, the home is sun-drenched. Right now it's a little gray outside, so you don't get to appreciate all the awesome sunlight, but I'm sure you can imagine with all the windows, okay? So let's take a walk through. This is the full dining room area. The dining room is very large and can sustain any size, I guess from 6 to 12 chairs and a large table. So you won't have any issues with your entertaining purposes on the holidays, okay? If you turn it this way, here is where we entered in, and you can see how much square footage the house features, okay? That door is a half bathroom. I'm gonna give you a quick view of that. Has great ventilation as well, okay? So your guests don't have to go upstairs to use the restroom. Let's take another look. The stairs feature the upper level with the bedrooms, which I'll showcase in a minute. Let's continue to walk through. We have a closet to the left. Here is the kitchen area. Stainless steel appliances, hardwood flooring. You can, I appreciate these old cabinetry, but you can always upgrade them if you want. There is a room for a table, more windows. Here's a door that leads out to the deck. It's locked currently, but you have a small deck area out there. Okay, here's another view from the kitchen, looking into the main living area, okay? So I'm gonna walk you guys upstairs. There's a closet right here, really quick. I'm gonna walk you upstairs and give you a tour and a preview of the upper level of the home, okay? So again, beautiful hardwood flooring. Taking us upstairs to the upper level where the bedrooms are located. So as soon as you walk in, you have, we'll call this bedroom number 1. 2 windows, so it gets lots of sun. A closet. Old school cabinetry, very charming. What I like about these traditional architecture is the charm that it brings towards the home. This is where we entered. We got bedroom number 2 is a smaller bedroom, but it's still a full bedroom with a window, closet, and can hold any size bed. Okay, let's continue to walk. Make a quick left. Beautiful bathroom, fully renovated. What I really appreciate about this is the sunlight drop. And they did really nice renovations to the restroom. And if you come out of the restroom and make a quick left, we enter the master bedroom that features 3 windows, 2 radiators, and a closet. Very nice. Lots of square footage. Actually, looks like there is 2 closets in this room, okay? Yeah. So you're not gonna lack for any closet space. Like I said in the listing, ample closet space. Lots of square footage, okay? Exiting the master. Again, to the right of us is the restroom. Okay? Very nice. Walk out. To the right is second bedroom, smaller bedroom, but can still fit a large bed. With these smaller bedrooms, I tell everyone, think of utilizing the walls. Mounted TVs, mounted cabinets, you know, so you have more square footage on the ground and everything is mounted up. That's what I tell people. Then, bedroom number 1 that we showcased when we first came up the stairs, okay? So as you can see, the house gets lots of sun and lots of square footage for you, okay? Let's take it downstairs. I just killed all the lights. Back downstairs. I love the old charm and architecture. What a lot of people don't know about these traditional Pennsylvania homes, whether it's Berks County or Philadelphia County, a lot of them used the same architects. And they had lots of work back then in the 1900s. And a lot of the homes, that's why when you purchase a home that was built back then, the architecture is a lot different than the newer homes, and you get to appreciate all the charm that was put into the modeling of these homes back then. So take advantage of it with these high ceilings, hardwood floors, crown moldings. You pay for things like that today in your house. And so many of these houses, these hardwood floors are immaculate. Let's take a walk downstairs. Don't forget the nice table with my setup. Make sure to sign your name, give me your email. Gotta hurry up because I'm getting ready to start the open house in about 15 minutes. So let me bring you downstairs, okay? So we're going to enter the basement area or the, you know, additional living space under level 1. And what's good about here is, let me hit the lights. Washer, dryer, refrigerator. They have this set up as a gym. This is I'm gonna give you a real quick look at the garage, okay? Quick garage area. I don't wanna keep it open too long and set off an alarm, but you get the idea, okay? I believe this was a studio, like an audio studio. I mean, I'm not sure of that, but I believe so, because I've built these in my homes. So this is probably had it set up for a recording studio with a musician, okay? Let's take a quick walk. Another full bathroom. So excuse me, we have 2 full bathrooms and 1 half bath, okay? So it's fully sized, fully renovated. Let me get you out of here. Back out into the main living area. Okay? That's a door that leads us outside. Listen, this can be a rentable unit for a family member. Don't believe it's zoned for a 2-family, but you know, your kids, your mother-in-law, a family member, a friend, this would make for a good studio apartment, income generating, you know? So help you pay off that mortgage. Let me kill these lights. Okay. So you have a full nother living area downstairs. Let me take you back up. Walk up the stairs, back into the kitchen area. I'm gonna swing it around. Gotta get ready to go, guys, because I already got a few texts and I have people on the way. But again, I just wanted to showcase, bring you through, let you tour the home. If you're interested in this home or any other, you can always send me an email. Turn around. Hey, so I want to thank you for joining me at the open house. I hope I gave you guys a nice tour of the home, 6457 Wyncote Ave, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. I'm going to be posting a lot of my open houses. I'm getting ready to open the door, guys, so I gotta go. I got one person outside waiting already, and I like to give everybody their own personal time the way I just gave you yours. So keep in mind you're on the market with Val. Please subscribe to the channel if you like the content that I produce. If you have any questions, valentinesales@gmail.com. Please leave a comment about this video or any other videos or any other questions that you may have. Like, share. I would appreciate it. And remember, if you have any questions, give me a call and I'll take you on the market. Have a good day.